Observing nature, hibiscus and beetles. There is so much that we see, but so little that we observe. It is important to observe and question what we see and then find out the answers. Nature offers so many things: seasons, plants, animals, and so much more that we can observe. So many answers that we can find, and so many questions that we can spark. Have a close look at the hibiscus flower. Look still closer. Do you see that insect? Can you identify it? This insect is called the red and black striped beetle. You can also see how this beetle gorges on the leaves and petals of hibiscus. So here you can see a beetle making a meal of the soft petals of the hibiscus flower. Observe how it is using its legs and mouth parts. Look closely at these pictures. What else do you see besides the beetle? Can you recognize those small black things on the leaves? Observe, explore, and find out. Now, try and find out the answers to these questions. The more you observe, the more you will explore, and the more you explore, the more you will find out.